3-0.
Okay.
3-0.
No
Interesting.
contest.
It was close for me, like this in video.
You agree? You agree
But
with this result?
yeah, at the same time, yes, because he really interact with the audience that we just said in another analysis. The first battle we watched together was not really Jular and the main bass with the audience, the crowd. And now we are really with both the interaction with the crowd, but more with Koopa.
All right.
And TUNECINOO is a little bit too much want to battle. He just play with the crowd with the first round. But after it's really face to Koopa, and it's a little bit too much for me. And what I love with Dr. Koopa is more battle and with the crowd. So he have really both. And I feel that, yeah, that's really better for that.
Yeah.
After for the routine, the beatbox, I mean, they both do some original sound. TUNECINOO is really original. He shows something really different. Koopa too.
Yeah, I agree.
See, it's hard. It's hard to judge this battle.
Yeah, very hard. For me, they're two very good beatboxers with their, how to say, signature sounds.
Yeah.
Totally different universe. What makes the difference for me is like Koopa acts. He was, for me, more prepared. Like his 2 rounds looks like it was prepared from A to Z, from scratch, and they are finished. And for me, he acts like he doesn't care at all. Like it was normal to do battle for him. And when TUNECINOO tries to annoy him during the first round, he acts like it doesn't bother him at all. So I like this. And for me, he was more battle attitude. He had a more battle attitude than TUNECINOO. Even more at the second round when he performed his joke about a friend joke, sorry. And the storytelling for the second round was very well prepared for Koopa for me.
Yeah, and a little bit different than the first round. And with TUNECINOO, maybe the problem. But at the same time, I love it when we have a different style. But because he use the same sound, sometimes is
For which beatboxer do you mean?
TUNECINOO when he would do the. It's always complicated when you use it 2 times in 2 rounds.
What do you feel when someone use two times the same sound, for example?
You really need to do if you use it 2 times, the structure or the composition of your own need to be really different. Like
you need to show another way of using it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And we don't really feel it with these 2 rounds.
Yeah, I agree. For me, it was more difficult to follow the second round of TUNECINOO. Maybe he got lost, or I don't know. Maybe it's not a round that is 100% finished, I would say. We can hear there is still something he's looking for. Like he's trying some ideas, and maybe some doesn't match perfectly together.
Probably.
That's just my opinion, I think. So that's why, Koopa, well deserved, nice win.
Yeah, nice battle. Yeah.
Perfect. Do you want to add another comment about the battle?
No, just let's continue to see, and we no spoil because everybody maybe don't know who gonna win this first edition. So I will say nothing.
Yeah.
And just continue to watch the video, the analysis, and see you for the next video.
Perfect. So that was our analysis of the quarterfinal between TUNECINOO and Dr. Koopa. If you want to watch the whole video analysis, it's on our YouTube channel, Lyrebird Beatbox. And if you want to watch the battle, it's on Beatbox Battle. Let us know in the comments if you agree with us or not. And just explain your points if you don't agree.
Yeah.
See you for next video.
See you. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye bye. Yes.